If you want to enhance picture quality in Photopea, especially when your image looks small, blurry, or low resolution, this quick method can help you get a much cleaner result. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to upscale an image properly so you can improve the size and appearance without making it look overly pixelated. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Photopea tutorials just like this one. Let's jump right in. First, open Photopea and load the image you want to improve. Once your picture is inside the editor, go up to the top menu and click Image, then choose Image Size. This is where you can control the resolution and dimensions of your image. If your image is too small, a simple resize is usually not enough because it can make the image look blocky or rough. That's why you want to use the right settings here. In the image size window, start by changing the dimensions to your target size. For example, you can set the width to 300% if you want to make the image much larger. If you do that, make sure the chain icon is linked so the aspect ratio stays locked. This keeps your image from stretching or becoming distorted. Next, look for the Interpolation dropdown. This setting is very important because it controls how Photopea rebuilds the image as it scales. If you're working with a soft photo, choose Bicubic PAO. This is usually the best option for photos because it helps prevent harsh edges and gives you a more natural looking upscale. On the other hand, if your image is pixel art or a high contrast graphic where you want perfectly sharp square pixels, choose nearest neighbor. Just remember, nearest neighbor should only be used in those specific cases because on normal photos, it can make the image look jagged. After that, set the DPI, also called resolution. If you plan to print the image, set it to 300 DPI for better print quality. If the image is only for screens, social media, or online use, you can keep it at 72 DPI. Once everything looks right, click OK and let Photopea process the change. After the resize is complete, take a moment to inspect the image closely. You should notice that it now fits your target size better and looks more usable for editing, posting, or printing. Keep in mind that upscaling can improve the appearance of a low-resolution image, but it can't magically create detail that was never there in the first place. So for the best results, always start with the highest quality image you can find. If needed, you can combine this with other Photopea edits like sharpening or contrast adjustments to make the final image look even better. And that's how you enhance picture quality in Photopea using smart upscaling and the correct image size settings. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the next tutorial for more simple Photopea editing tips.